In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Translate to your keyboard on your iPhone. So this can be useful if you want to go and translate text in real time from the keyboard. Now the first thing you need to do is go and load up the App Store on your phone. You could then search for Gboard and press search. Now go and download this app here, which is the Google Keyboard. And once you've finished downloading the app, go and close out of this window. You could then open up the settings on your phone, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and select apps. Now click on default apps and then scroll down and click on keyboards. Now select add new keyboard, click on Gboard, then select Gboard from the list and select allow full access. Now click on allow. And once you've done this, close out of the settings. You can then go and open up an app that requires the keyboard. Now hold down on the circular globe in the bottom left hand side and click on Gboard. You could then click on the Google icon and you see now we have the option for translate. Click on this. You can now go and type in the text that you want to translate and you can select different languages you want to translate this text to. So as you can see, if I click on the translate button, it will automatically translate the text that I've typed.